Pinnacles. The eye is a highly specialized sensory organ responsible for vision. It detects light, converts it into electrical signals, and sends those signals to the brain, where they are interpreted as images. The human eye works much like a camera. The cornea and lens focus light. The iris controls how much light enters, and the retina captures the image.
The cornea is the transparent, dome-shaped front surface of the eye, which plays a critical role in focusing light as it enters the eye.
The cornea protects inner eye structures, refracts incoming light for focus, provides most of the eye's power. The conjunctiva is a thin, transparent membrane covering the white part of the eye and the inside of the eyelids.
The conjunctiva keeps the eye moist, protects against dust, bacteria, and foreign particles, and produces mucus that...
The sclera is the tough white outer layer of the human eye that provides essential protection and structural support for the entire organ. The sclera provides essential structure and protection for the eye, while serving as an anchor for the muscles that facilitate ocular movement.
The iris is the colored circular part of the eye, which functions to regulate the amount of light that enters the pupil. The iris controls the size of the pupil and regulates how much light enters the eye, using muscles that expand or contract. Eye color depends on the amount of pigment, melanin, present in the iris, which determines the specific shade we see in human eyes. The pupil is the black opening in the center of the iris, which regulates the amount of light entering the human eye.
The pupil allows light to enter the eye, gets larger in dim light, and becomes smaller in response to bright light. The lens is a transparent, flexible structure located behind the iris, serving as a critical component in the complex human visual system. The lens focuses light onto the retina and changes shape to help the eye focus on objects at different distances. This focusing process is called accommodation, where the lens changes shape to ensure that we maintain clear vision for the ciliary body consists of the ciliary muscles and acts to control the shape of the lens for proper focus. The ciliary body changes the shape of the lens, produces aqueous humor, and helps maintain eye pressure for healthy vision.
The aqueous humor is the clear fluid located in the space between the cornea and the lens of the eye.
The aqueous humor functions to nourish the cornea and lens, maintain intraocular eye pressure, and efficiently remove waste products from the eye. The vitreous humor is a clear, gel-like substance that fills the large cavity located directly behind the lens of the human eye.
The vitreous humor maintains the shape of the eye, supports the retina, and allows light to pass through with minimal scattering of the light.
The retina is a thin layer of nerve tissue lining the back of the eye, responsible for capturing light and visual information. It converts light into electrical impulses. The retina contains two types of photoreceptor cells. The retina contains two types of photoreceptor cells, known as rod cells, and there are approximately 120 million of
Rod cells are responsible for night vision and detecting movement in our peripheral vision, though they are not able to detect color.
Bone cells are essential for color vision, fine detail, and daylight vision, with three types sensitive to red, green, and blue light wavelengths. Together, they allow humans to perceive millions of colors through a complex biological process that enables us to see the world so clearly. The macula is the central area of the retina, which is responsible for our sharpest and most detailed central vision at all times. The functions of the eye include maintaining sharp central vision, assisting with daily tasks like reading. The fovea is located in the center of the macula and is responsible for providing our sharpest central vision in the eye.